Hi everyone, let's see how you can install an app that can control your screen brightness right from the taskbar. To get started, simply search Microsoft Store and open it. Now in the search box here, type Twinkle Tray. Click on the app and install it from here. Once installed, click on Open. Close this dialog box. Now go to your taskbar and click on this similar looking icon and go to Settings. From here, you can adjust the settings as per your preference. The language, theme, the Windows interface style, the tray icon. You can turn this analytics off if you want to. Then if you go to monitor settings, it will show you the settings of your current monitor. Now if you want to adjust the time, then click on it. You can also set hotkeys to increase or decrease the brightness, and from here you can update the app. So once done with the adjustments, simply click on the icon. Just increase and decrease the slider to adjust the brightness. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.